Galvanic cells, Voltaic cells. Definition: electrochemical cells that convert chemical energy into electrical energy through spontaneous redox reactions. Components: anode, electrode where oxidation occurs, loss of electrons. Cathode, electrode where reduction occurs, gain of electrons. Electrolyte, a solution containing ions that conduct electricity. Salt bridge, connects the two half cells, allowing the flow of ions to maintain electrical neutrality. Example: a simple battery, like a zinc-copper battery. Electrolytic cells. Definition: electrochemical cells that use electrical energy to drive non-spontaneous redox reactions. Components: anode, electrode where oxidation occurs. Cathode, electrode where reduction occurs. Electrolyte, a solution containing ions. Power source, provides the electrical energy to drive the reaction. Example: electrolysis of water to produce hydrogen and oxygen gas. Batteries. Definition: devices that store chemical energy and convert it into electrical energy on demand. Types: primary batteries, disposable batteries that cannot be recharged, e.g. alkaline batteries. Secondary batteries, rechargeable batteries, e.g. lithium-ion batteries. Working principle, based on the principles of galvanic cells. Corrosion. Definition: the gradual degradation of materials, typically metals, due to chemical reactions with their environment. Causes: electrochemical reactions, oxidation and reduction reactions involving the metal and surrounding substances, e.g., water, oxygen, electrolytes. Example: rusting of iron. Electroplating. Definition: a process of depositing a thin layer of metal onto a conductive surface using electrolysis. Process: the object to be plated is made the cathode. The desired metal is made the anode. An electrolyte solution containing ions of the metal to be plated is used. When a current is passed, metal ions from the anode are reduced and deposited onto the cathode. Example: gold plating jewelry.